applying foundation all over your face and neck. Next, apply contour stick at the side of your face to make your face appear smaller. And also below the inner corners of your brows. And bring it down following your nose bridge and under the tip of your nose. Then use a brush to soften the harsh lines. And bring it up to your forehead. And use the sponge to soften the nose contour. Next, apply loose powder onto the area that tends to crease. So for me, it's my under eye area, the side of my nose, smile line, and forehead. Time for the brows. Start off by filling in your eyebrows with a light brown color. Then use a light brown eyeliner to create hair strokes like so. Next, apply a tiny bit of concealer around the frame of your eyebrows to clean it up. To set your eyebrows in place, apply brow gel. Moving on to the eyes, start off by applying shimmer orange cream color onto your lid. And use whatever left on the sponge, apply it onto the lower lash line. Next, apply pinkish red shimmer color onto the inner half of your eyes. And bring it down to the inner corners of your eyes. Then use the sponge to feather it out. Then apply the same color onto your eye bag. Next, apply yellowish brown color onto your lower lash line to fill in the gap. Then apply shimmer nude color onto your brow bone and use the sponge to feather it out. To brighten up the eyes, apply light shimmer peach color onto the inner corners of your eyes. Next, line your eyes with the same light brown eyeliner. Also onto your waterline. Then apply black eyeliner onto the center of your waterline to make your eyes appear bigger. After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. And if you want, you can also apply false lashes as well. Moving on to the face, apply orange shimmer cream color onto your cheekbones in a C shape. And use the brush to soften it. Then apply light warm pink color onto the apples of your cheeks and feather it out to your cheekbones. Next, apply highlighter onto the highest point of your cheekbones and connect it to your brow bone. Then apply the same color to your nose bridge and also your chin. Moving on to the lips, apply brownish purple color as a base onto your lip. And use your finger to feather it out. Next, apply dark purple color onto the inner parts of your lips. Then use your finger to blend the center part of your lips to create ombre effect. And finally, apply lip gloss onto the center part of your lips. And we're done! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here or post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time.